How about a picture with the kid, Rock? That all right?
Sure. Your son, hold up your fist. Makes you look more hazardous. There you go.
Thanks.
Enjoy your meal.
He's a nice guy, isn't he?
Yeah.
Listen, Spider just went downstairs. I don't know if that's all right or not, so...
Well, what's he doing down there?
I don't know. That's your friend.
If this raid fails, it will jeopardize everything we have built. Joshua, thy extreme ideas reflect a good heart. And we all know why thee hast such zeal for this cause. But thou art too young to have learned patience. If we are too hasty, we may do more harm than good. My heart goes out to this woman. But we must consider the greater good. If we are caught in slave territory helping free runaways, it will prevent us from having any help from this mountain in the future.
I know we haven't been that far south before.
Chandler's mother was beaten nearly to death in a home invasion last week. We gave him compassionate leave. But before he left Saudi, someone else gave him $250,000.
Mrs. Hawkins, I'm sorry that I startled you. I assumed Mr. Hawkins would have told you to expect me. My name is Win Duffy. This is who I am. This is what I've become. I've learned to live with this.
No. You need to keep swinging. Or you'll become a tired old man with nowhere to go. I'm always on the lookout for good people. Don't be a stranger.
Joey. Joey. This was a very simple job. You have disappointed me.
Come on, Vinny. I have the money for you by tomorrow. Cut me a break, man.
No. It's too late. Besides, don't you have a train to catch?